Nation, what it do? Back up in here, man. Where my phone go? I don't know what to do with my phone. I think I left that set. Man, we back up in here, man, with another one, man. And yeah, showing y'all, finna show y'all some old maintenance, man. That I gotta do on MayRose. So y'all know how it go, man. Go ahead, go ahead, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, man. You know what I'm saying? Because you never know what I'm gonna post, man. You never know. You never know. You just never know. So as y'all know, I was putting all my front end parts on MayRose, all the new front end stuff, and I didn't get an alignment. Oh well, this right here is the result of that. So I just took the tire off, man. I just took the wheel off, and yeah, man, I got me another old tire right here. So what I'm about to do, I'm waiting on baby to pull up so we can go up here to 360, get my swap this tire real quick, and cause I'm trying to shoot to this show Sunday out in Halls, Tennessee, man, and I can't go with that tire looking like that. Just ain't gonna do it. That ain't a good look. But yeah, also I gotta go ahead and get me a alignment ASAP. But I got one more part I got to buy, man. I got to get the pitman arm. It's the pitman arm, either the outlet arm. One of them I got, one of them I don't got. Let me see which one I got. I got the Idler arm. So the pitman arm is the last piece to the puzzle that I gotta buy, man. So I buy that, put that on, then I'm gonna go and get a alignment because everything else under there is new. But man, look at that thing. Look with that AC stuff in there, man. I still ain't got my line made. Talked to the guy today. He told me what was up. So yeah, I gotta do that. He said he gonna try to get with me soon. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some AC in this thing real soon, man. Real soon. But yeah, man. So this right here will be part of the Smack 'em in the Mouth tour series, man. Yeah, man, cause I'm trying to get to that show, man. Trying to get to the show. I'm gonna get to test this sensor out to see if that's why my car was cutting off. I think it's like 45 minutes to an hour away, maybe a little more than that. So I'm gonna be with the guys anyway, man. So you know, if the car cut off or whatever, you know, it'll be all good. We still going to the show. When it crank back up, we're going to the show. So whatever. You act a fool if you want to. We still going. And we coming back. So yeah, with that being said, man, waiting on baby to pull up so I can load this tire up and run up to 360, man, so we can get this tire put on. So I'm gonna hit y'all when I get in motion. Also, y'all, I almost forgot to tell you. Well, not forget to tell you. I think I told y'all last time, but I ain't show y'all the real damage. That's where my tire got ate up at. Ate my tire up, man. 7.8 Chevy boy. I got a tire eater, man. But see, I'm the man with the bubbles though, so I can't get you over here on this. I gotta handle this myself. But yeah, I see the little piece that's messed up. Also, y'all, man, I messed my wheel up when I went to New Orleans that time on that trailer. But then on the 4th, I don't know what that is. I think that was already in there. Like this right here is from the trailer when I went to New Orleans that time. But then on the 4th, I turn around and do this one right here, and this one right here, and this one right here. On the same street, on the same curb, doing the same U-turn. at 2 different times of the day. Got to be more careful. So I gotta order me at least a front barrel. The back barrel ain't bad, but the front barrel, man, I at least gotta order that, cause that ain't right. And it was crazy because when I was making the turn, I was like, man, I hope I don't hit this curve again. And then boop, there you go. It was like one of them curves that, it wasn't like a curve, like a whole big old curve. It was like, I can't even explain it. It's like the curve inside of the curve, if that makes sense. I don't know. I can't explain it, but yeah, man, it pissed me off though. Man, it's some bullshit. So, yeah. But yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and like I said, wait on her to get back. Run up here to 360 tire real quick, and get this tire put on, man. Get ready for Sunday, man. Smack them in the mouth to her, man. That's what we doing, man. We smacking them in the mouth, man, on this side. For sure, for sure. Yeah, man, so got Big Berry loaded up, man. Got Big Berry loaded up. About to shoot over here to 360. And get this business, huh? I didn't know if you had no tissue in here or not.
I do. The face
Yeah, man, so we back. Got that new meat on that thing, man. Got that new meat on there. He holding my center cap for me. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on, cause I'm gonna have to take them back off anyway. When I'm about to do something right now, so I ain't gonna be able to stop. I ain't gonna be able to wash it or wash them or whatever. So I'm gonna put it back on, and yeah. But before this show Sunday, man, I gotta take them off. I'm taking off all 4 of them. Wash the rear barrels. Stop, come back. And I gotta do this little cut back here. This little trimming back here, so I won't tear my tire up no more. But yeah, let me go ahead and put this on. Just put this wheel back on, and so she can be back on all 4s. Like a little nasty little, never mind. Yeah. We in there. Like what? Y'all know what's going on. I eventually have to get another tire over here too, but the alignment ain't as bad on this side. But I'm gonna eventually get another tire. I'm gonna eventually get all 4 of them. Cause y'all know I've been burning a little rubber, so them back ones gonna definitely have to be replaced. But yeah. So with that being said, man, I'm about to turn this jump back around. Or do I even want to turn it around? I don't even know if I want to turn it around. I may not. I might just leave it how it is. Come out here tomorrow and do what I gotta do. I might do it tonight. I don't know. I don't think I want to deal with it right now. I don't want to mess with it right now, but yeah, I think I'm cool for right now. What up, dude? Yeah. I don't know what that is. It's like a scratch. It's crazy. Finding all kind of shit on this car. I know what that is. That's tire rubber. Oh boy. Well, yeah, man. I'm finna get to doing my other shenanigans, whatever I'm finna do, and I'll hit y'all in a minute. Whoa, nation, let me break up in here one time. Man. Hey, look, check this out. Also, man, your boy went ahead on and got me a P.O. box, man. Got me a P.O. box. So just in case, man, y'all want to send me something like that right there, man, you know, send it to the P.O. box, man. P.O. box is the dog. It's P.O. box 25823. 25823. Also, I'm gonna have it down in the description, man, and I'm gonna put it up here. You know what I'm saying? And put it down at the bottom of the screen. But it's P.O. Box 25823, Memphis, Tennessee 38125. So yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely be utilizing that, man. So hopefully, man, like I said, if y'all decide y'all want to send me something, you know what I'm saying? It'll be all good, man. Be all good. Oh man, yeah, man. I'm trying to grow this channel, man. I'm trying to make everything worth being here, man. I'm trying to make everything worth being a part of the nation, man. So yeah, that's all I had to say, man. That's all I had to say. I think that was the end of the video anyway. So yeah. With that being said, man, it's your boy Bill 25, and it is what it is.